Okay, example D says Sadie bought 3.6 pounds of apples from the Fairview Apple Festival. Wait, this sounds familiar. Each pound cost $1.45. How much did Sadie spend in total on the apples? Hold on a second. Ah, that's right. This is the exact same problem so far. Okay, this part right here, though, is new. How much change would she receive if she paid with a $10 bill? Okay, so we don't have to do the first part again. We already know that $1.45 times 3.6 pounds equals, what was it, 522. Okay, but this part we need to do. How much change would she receive if she paid with a $10 bill? Okay, if they're asking for how much change, that means that this is going to be a subtraction problem. Okay, so we need to subtract 522 from $10. Okay, if you remember, with multiplication, we did not have to line up the decimal, but with subtraction, you absolutely must line up the decimals. So we have 5.22. I see where the decimal is there. That's pretty easy, but $10, there's no decimal there. I don't see it. Okay, guys, I've told you this a ton of times, but one more time. If you don't see the decimal, it is hiding at the very end. Okay, in fact, sometimes people will write $10 like this, or they will write it as $10.00, just like that. That means the exact same thing, but this one has a decimal, and that's what we need. Okay, so we're going to write 10.00, and you have to line up the decimal, so I have 5.22. And now I can subtract. But I need to borrow. 0 minus 2, I can't do that. So this one's going to be 10. I need to borrow from this 0, but he doesn't have anything. He needs to borrow from this one. He doesn't have anything. So this is going to be a 9. This is going to be a 9. And this 1 goes to 0. Okay, now 10 minus 2 gives me 8. 9 minus 2 gives me 7. Line up that decimal, and 9 minus 5 gives me 4. So my final answer is $4.78. Okay, do the next your turn problem on your own.